Ban itu ia usenyang bakino hikai kilano asya usop utiar ban kentiu ya kapule puti, ban saindor ya kalawai jongki kena, ka District School Education Officer West Jainta Hills District, kala Rakhe ya kasingi kerpang jongki no hikai ne ka 62nd Teachers Day celebration, ha kajinya lang kabalalong ha District Library Auditorium Mentong, Jowai, ha kasingi baar. Ha kan ne kasingi ladon lang usumbut Menteri Rang Ba Kajela usnyaw bhalang dhar kum ukongsan. UMLA ke Jowai, Uwailat Miki Shilla kum usumbut kongsan, Deputy Commissioner UBS Soalia, Superintendent of Police ka District UC30, ka APSM, District School Education Officer West Jainta Hills District Jowai, Udoloy ka Elaka Jowai, Upuramon Kenjing, Kinohikai, Kikana School, Nalor Kiwei. Usnya bahalang dhar ulayaro ya kinohikai ki basaindor bat panuandor ya kikena habaro kiliang. Ulayaro ru ya kajing tray shitom jongki wat hapadang kajing duna kajing sil, Henry gi petang ban syakri bat penbit penbiang ya kajing don kam jongki kena. Ha kajing Rakhe singi kerpang jongki nohikai, lapan kup buram da ka khusnam District Awards ya kinohikai bakentup nadu ka kerdan secondary, balayo pediang da kawan hok lamar Vice Principal QC Springside Higher Secondary School. Haka kerdan upper primary layo da ohiwat lalu assistant teacher government girls higher secondary school Jowai. Haka kerdan lower primary layo da ka Hilarious Manar head teacher umladkur government LP school Kongla. Katba ya ka khusnam best scout master layo pediang da Jonas K Pala 2 Memorial Scout Troop Secondary School Muralong Jowai. Katba ya ka khusnam best guide captain layo pediang da ka Doli Lamare Little Angels Guide Company Secondary School Musa Lengkat Jowai. Lapan pu penpeng ya kasingi kerpang kinong hikai, da ki jing ruai bat jing shan bala shimbenta da ki kena na ki school bapher ka district.
Teachers, today is your days. I remember one day when I was in college, in St. One College, BSc first year. There was agitation between the student and one of the professors. Yes, of course, it's not bad, but according to us, it's very bad during that time. So we moved to the principal to remove him immediately. And the principal advised us, no, don't do that, don't rush it. Call him, meet him, at least one. Maybe there is some solution to it. Then we meet him. So the best teacher, the good teacher, he knows how to reply to the bad student. And he says that, my dear student, you know there is so many languages in this world. There is bad languages, there is good languages. You know who covered them up? Only one smile. And he smiled to us and we are satisfied and we didn't demand his removal anymore. That is the best teacher. And I would like to share with you here, by records, as per my personal experience, the best student is always face the bad teachers. Because the bad teachers, they are bad for what? To make us proud. To make us proud. It's because of you that we are here. Because of you that we are here. You are the steerings of the state and the nation as a whole. And one thing I cannot forget it also. Teacher is one of its quality. No matter how much pay they get from the government or from private sector, but they treat their student always in the best directions. That is the best teachers. That's why as the MLA of the state of Meghalaya, today is the first Teachers' Day celebration I attend, madam. Today is the first one. Today is the first one. And I remember during my school times, we faced very much challenges. You know, there is a grumbling every now and then, every session between the teachers and the students. And without that, no student is perfect. We may debate each other, we may scold each other, we may curse each other, we may grumbling each other. But last mission is, we should remember that our second mother is our beloved teachers as a student.
Meghalaya, Manpi, Kamkibegipa, Kikuyo, Kibiyaki, Manpi, Kamsini, Kau Che, Hongwan, Dodo, Ilmoai, Manpi, Kamslap, Your light Nesti, Benlun Piepon, Untuk Hiyo God Sky, Benyo Ropi, Yekon, Ha Kemudiu Ulah.
Your words ignite a curious flame in every student's a thirst to claim. Lessons woven like threads of gold in young minds, stories unfold. Through struggles and triumphs, you stand by, nurturing dreams that touch the sky. A beacon of knowledge, strong and true, teachers dear, we're grateful for all you do. In halls of learning, wise and bright, teachers guide with gentle light. With passion true, you shape each mind, igniting sparks of every kind. Patient mentors, day by day, you help us find our unique way. Through lessons taught and stories shared, in your guidance we all are well prepared. Grateful hearts sing praises high for teachers who reach for the sky. For in your care we learn and grow, with gratitude our thanks will flow. May blessings rain on teachers dear, guiding us with wisdom clear. Your patient hearts a constant guide, in knowledge real, you stand beside. In classroom stage 3, you all read, inspiring minds to truly believe. So here's to teachers, a heartfelt dose for the impact made, we boast.